Hi there, let's take a look at Stellar. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, map out the short-term trend, so you know exactly how market momentum is shifting right now. From a Wyckoff perspective, Stellar is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. The next stage we are looking to show up is the sign of strength, but it's still early. Okay, sometimes it may happen sooner, but because the price has just come down from the automatic rally, it may take a while for it to come back to re-challenge the light blue key level of 26 cents. Okay, that's part over here. Of course, we want it to challenge a little bit higher, all the way to above the 0.291 purple key level. So, looking at where it is heading, it is currently in a short-term markdown situation, coming back to re-challenge the area where I consider the panic over period of selling climax. Okay, that was a very low volume period with sideways trading. Okay, the volume after the spike to automatic rally, it is slowly coming back down to the average around that period. So that's the situation right now. Immediate weekly resistance, this purple line, 17 cents 20. Immediate support, 15 cents 70. So depending on what kind of news is coming out to the market or whether there are any attractions to suck out money from Stellar, if there's none, this zone over here, what we see to the left, the base case is between the light blue key level of 13 cents 80 and 17 cents 20, the range bound situation. All right. Sometimes it may test a little bit deeper. You can see this part that has dipped lower than the light blue key level. How about the daily chart? The daily chart has exited the previous steeper downtrend, but it has developed into a new downleg over here after breaking the support. So the nearest support is the same as we talked about during the weekly interval. Immediate resistance, likewise. But given we have already talked about August 1st, a potential 2C's decision, change of trend, or continuation of trend, we get the answer is a change. Just that it is still a downtrend, but at a slower rate. Okay, the rate of descent is lower. So what do? We adjust the channel box. You see from this slope to this slope, very mild change. All right, just expand this a little so all the candlesticks can sit within the channel. So that's how we measure its next moves. All right, so if the trend continues towards the blue line, the date for the next 2C's decision point is around the 14th of August. Okay, so that's meaning if the price continues to trade below the resistance line of the channel and find support above the blue line, trading towards this gap. Okay, that's our decision point. Whether it is going to bounce back up to challenge the 17 cents 20, or is it going to break further to the 13 cents 80, just like what it did since February all the way to late May. Okay, it may be re-entering this zone one more time and trade sideways over there. All right, put into the comment whether you think it will continue all the way to challenge the blue line, or is it going to change before we reach the middle of the month. Let me know what you think. You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. See you in the next one. Thank you.